Hey YouTube, I just broke this box of Black Diamond 12-13 hockey, and it was decent. By decent I mean average, because, well, you'll see. Okay, first off, ice pack came with Carey Price, Dion Phaneuf, Claude Giroux, Patrice Bergeron, and my rookie was, out of $9.99, Jordan Nolan. Okay, so here's all the base. I'll go through the hits. Here's Jack, the 2 rubies, pretty standard 2 rubies. 1 diamond, Jack Johnson. One of my double diamonds was a ruby, Dion Phaneuf. Braden Shen, double diamond, Zetterberg, Marlowe, Gabrick, Marcel Dion, Patrick Kane, and 4 triple diamonds, John Tavares, Brendan Shanahan, Mike Modano. Oh, I guess there's 3 and then 3 rookie gems. This rookie gems was, I don't know why it's Mark Messier, but I don't know if that's a special, gonna be worth more or not, but good player, rookie card, whatever. Lane McDermott, triple diamonds. Philip Cornier, triple diamond. My quad diamond rookie was JT Brown, and I don't know much about him at all, but I don't know, he's only played 5 games, got 1 assist, so he's a pretty good rookie. And then Ilya Kovalchuk was my other quad diamond, but on the back it's kind of weird, it has a Atlanta symbol, so I don't know why they put that up there. Atlanta doesn't exist anymore, or sorry, he's with the Devils now, so unless they trade him back to Atlanta or Winnipeg, I don't know why it's Atlanta. It's so weird. Okay, I just saved these 2 last packs, which were the hits, and I'll just open them up on camera. I'm pretty mad I didn't get any clear-cut thingers or autographs, but I guess that's just being really hopeful. Okay, got some base, Erickson, and Ryan Johansson, of course. 2 jerseys there. Double diamond jersey. And my last jersey card. It's probably going to be another Columbus guy. Carter, Stamkos, LeCavier. And it's not, it's a Daniel Sedin jersey from Vancouver, from where I'm from. Yeah, alrighty, that's all she wrote, and there's 2 more base. Not really the best box, but had to do it once. Thanks for watching, have a good weekend, cheers.